Dear students, here we are going to see the topic pronouns or determiners. This topic is from chapter number 4, which is pronoun. Okay, so here we will see the topic pronouns or determiners. Determiners is a new word for all of you as far as I know. Okay, so at first we will see what is a determiner. Okay, so let's see its definition is also given. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun and qualifies or gives us additional information about the noun. Okay, see, a determiner is a word that comes before a noun. Okay, determiner जो वर्ड है ये नाउन के पहले आता है एंड क्वालिफाइज और गिव्स अस एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द नाउन, और नाउन को क्वालिफाई करता है. ओके, एंड इट ऑल्सो गिव्स एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन, अतिरिक्त जानकारी देता है नाउन के बारे में. ओके, एंड प्रोनाउन, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव रेड इट. अ प्रोनाउन एज वी नो स्टैंड्स इन place of a noun. Okay, pronoun के बारे में सबको पता है that a pronoun is a word that comes in place of a noun. So a pronoun cannot qualify a noun, but once again see here, determiner it qualifies a noun. Okay, determiner it qualifies a noun, it comes before a noun. Okay, it gives additional information about the noun, but pronoun it can't qualify a noun. ये noun को qualify नहीं कर सकता. It just only replace a noun. Okay, ये सिर्फ noun को replace करता है, उसके जगह पे आता है. Okay, see, two sentences are given here. See here, whose pen is this? Okay, and the second one is whose is this pen? Okay, meaning is same. Okay, meaning is same, but see here the way of the order of words. Okay, order of words जो इसमें है they are different. Okay, और ये words के जो order है, the arrangements of words are different, and that's why these two sentences are different. Okay, whose pen is this? Now see here, all of you know very well that whose is question word. Okay, whose जो है ये question word है हमारा, but you can see that in the first sentence pen is written, pen is placed just after whose. पहले सेंटेंस में पेन जो है वो whose के ठीक पहले है. ओके, whose pen is this? Okay, whose pen is this? So this is determiner. This is determiner. Okay, here whose is determiner. यहाँ पे whose जो है ये determiner हो गया. Okay, because see here a determiner is a word that comes before a noun. Determiner जो है वो noun के पहले आता है, ठीक पहले. Okay, and what is noun here? Pen. Pen is noun here. So whose is determiner. And do you know which type of determiner is whose? Okay, it is not given in your book, but let me tell you. Okay, whose is this is possessive determiner. Okay, because all of you have read pronoun. Whose is this pen? So whose is the word. This is possessive. Okay, possessive pronoun it is, and here it is possessive determiner. Okay, so whose pen is this? इट कम्स जस्ट बिफोर नाउन. ये नाउन के ठीक पहले आया है, ये नाउन को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है, नाउन के लिए एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है कि किसका पेन है. ओके, पेन है, देन हुज पेन. ओके, दिस इज नाउन. इट द वर्ड इट इज हुज, इट गिव्स एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन विच इज पेन हियर. सो हुज इज डिटर्मिनर. ओके, दिस इज डिटर्मिनर हियर. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज हुज इज दिस पेन. Okay, whose is this pen? This is noun, sorry, pronoun. Okay, this is pronoun because it comes in the place of whose. This is the word. Okay, this is a possessive pronoun. It comes in the place of subject. ये subject की जगह पर है. Okay, and after that, just after this there is verb. Okay, subject के बाद verb है, and after this there is verb. This is helping verb. You know very well that each is helping verb. Okay, तो ये हमारे subject की जगह पे है, उसके बाद ये helping verb आ जा रहा है हमारा. So this is our pronoun. See, the explanation is also written in your book. The word whose in the two sentences has two different functions. Okay, ये जो दो सेंटेंस में जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं, देयर आर टू डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. दे हैव टू डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. दोनों के अलग अलग कार्य हैं इन दो सेंटेंसेस में. इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, इन दिस सेंटेंस, इट क्वालिफाइज और डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन पेन. ओके, ये जो पेन जो नाउन है हमारा, इट जस्ट क्वालिफाइज और डिस्क्राइब्स, ओके, ये जस्ट नाउन के साथ है, ओके, नाउन के पहले है, सो इट क्वालिफाइज और डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन, मीन्स नाउन के साथ है, okay, so we can say that this qualifies, okay, this word it qualifies or describes noun, okay, which is pen. In the second sentence, जो second sentence है हमारा, it is the subject of the verb, and यहाँ पे ये subject हो गया, क्यों? क्योंकि इसके बाद verb आ रहा है हमारा, okay, तो हमारा subject क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? whose, okay, it is the subject of the verb is, okay, ये is verb का, is helping verb का whose subject हो गया, एंड स्टैंड्स वेयर अ नाउन वुड यूजुअली स्टैंड, और उस जगह पर है जहाँ पे नाउन रहता है, एंड देन यू विल से दैट मैम हियर ऑल्सो इट इज़ इन द प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट, देन नो, यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट हमारा क्या कहते हैं कि पेन हो गया, क्योंकि इसके बाद जस्ट अगर इसके बाद वर्ब होता तब फिर इसको सब्जेक्ट मानते, लेकिन इसके बाद नाउन है तो फिर हम इसको सब्जेक्ट मानेंगे, अंडरस्टूड? सो लेट्स सी हियर, इट इज़ द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब इज एंड स्टैंड्स वेयर अ नाउन वुड यूजुअली स्टैंड, ऐसी जगह पर है जहाँ की सब्जेक्ट रहता है, उसके बाद वर्ब है, सो दिस इज सब्जेक्ट हियर, ओके। दस इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, इन दिस सेंटेंस whose इज नॉट अ प्रोनाउन, तो यहाँ पे ये प्रोनाउन नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी ये प्रोनाउन कैसे हो सकता है, इसके साथ तो नाउन भी है, ओके, एंड प्रोनाउन इट कम्स इन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन, प्रोनाउन तो नाउन की जगह पे आता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे इसके साथ तो नाउन ऑलरेडी मौजूद है, तो फिर इसको प्रोनाउन कैसे मानेंगे, दिस इज नॉट अ प्रोनाउन, ओके। सी हियर, thus in the first sentence whose is not a pronoun but a determiner, okay, but a determiner, this is not pronoun, and जब ये प्रोनाउन नहीं है, इसके साथ है, नाउन के साथ है, तो क्या हो गया हमारा, दिस इज डिटर्मिनर, दिस इज डिटर्मिनर। वंस अगेन सी, डिटर्मिनर इज अ वर्ड दैट कम्स बिफोर अ नाउन, ओके, you will learn the definition of determiner also. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun. Determiner वो word है जो noun के पहले आता है and qualifies or gives us additional information about the noun, और noun के बारे में additional information it gives us, okay. In the second sentence, whose is a pronoun, okay, in this sentence whose is pronoun because it stands in place of a noun, क्योंकि ये noun की जगह पे है, इसके बगल में कोई noun नहीं है बल्कि इसके बगल में verb है, so this is pronoun. Once again, this is possessive determiner and this is possessive pronoun. See, few more examples have been given. Here are few more examples. This chair is broken. Here is noun, okay, just after noun is given, before noun, then this is determiner. You know which determiner is this, students? This is demonstrative determiner, okay, these, that, these, those, you know, these are the examples of demonstrative pronoun, so here these are demonstrative determiner, okay. In your next class you will read determiner, okay, but in this class only this much you have to read. Next is, this is the chair I was looking for. Now see here, this is the chair, after that, just after this there is means verb, okay, and this is in the place of noun, so this is pronoun here, okay. Few people, again determiner, and few came for the meeting, this is verb, okay, again subject के बाद verb आ गया हमारा, तो this is प्रोनाउन, सॉरी या दिस इज प्रोनाउन है, यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट के बाद इस वर्ड के बाद इट कम्स नाउन आ गया, तो नाउन के पहले है, देन दिस इज डिटर्मिनर, और यहाँ पे वर्ब है, सो दिस इज प्रोनाउन. So now this is your homework, exercise number J. Write P for pronoun and D for determiner for the underlined words, okay. See, all these words you have, all the sentences you have to read it carefully, okay, and you, if it is, you have to identify, okay, the underlined words as pronoun or determiner. If it is pronoun, then you will write P, and if it is determiner, then you will write D. For example, I am giving you the first example, okay, first question. Let me explain. First is, which dress do you like more? Which dress do you like more? Then see here, which dress, just after noun is placed here, okay. यहाँ पे इसके बाद noun है, तो noun के पहले place किया गया है, तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया, determiner हो गया, okay. So here we will write D. In the same way, you have to complete the all the questions up to, see, up to 10, okay. One more exercise is there, this also you have to complete, this will be also your homework, okay. See, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Write P for pronoun and D for determiner for the words that you have filled in, okay. You have to find out the correct one, okay, and you have to fill, and after that you have to write here either it is pronoun or determiner.